Hello friends, it's 1:36. There's my Gatorade. I'm still laying in bed. Here is Leo. Hello, I'm making my update in vertical. Oh gosh. I'm still laying in bed. It is almost 3, but I've been doing social media stuff, so just know I'm being productive. Mwah. Hello vlog. It is day 2. It's 11:39. I just woke up because I deserve it. I'm on vacation. And here's Leo. We're about to watch Wicked again. No one lays a lily on their grave. It's now 7 o'clock. I forgot the vlog, but I went to Gravity. I just got home. I got my little pizza. I'm about to clean and do some laundry before going to see Wicked tonight. Ah! The Wicked! I'm here at Ethan's. Zoe and John are here because it's Drag Race. And we're about to watch Wicked. We're going to IKEA. IKEA. It's so pretty. Rocky, are you excited for IKEA?
IKEA.
Are you excited for IKEA?
Guys, I go to IKEA every day.
Maybe you would get a bed frame. On the door it says Hech, H-E-J, and her license plate is K-J. I remember hers is Hech, so I always think of Hech.
He remembers my license plate. Everyone, I think I'm buying this. I really like it. I've been wanting some food cabinets. Only
I need
150.
something in return. I need food. I need money. I need.
Oh. Oh wow. Keep working. Hello, sir. Welcome to Valeria's coffee shop. What can I get for you?
I want coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Just says coffee.
Okay, $3. Excuse me? Sir, don't bleed over my card.
Cold foam, double chai, extra foam, no foam, fat cap, cappuccino, espresso, Mai Tai.
We have coffee. What can I get for you?
Can I get a grilled cheese?
Here we are, Korean barbecue. Thank you. How are you liking your Korean barbecue section?
Good.
Hi to my vlog!
Hello, vlog!
Ah! My Christmas party was last night at Brewers, and I just woke up and I'm a little hungover. Leo's keeping me company. I'm gonna go get a little coffee in a little bit. I officially got out of bed and I'm walking to Daily Ritual for some coffee. Exit has on my order. Got my coffee. I'm ready to start my day. Jazz was in there. I said hi to him, but he was in a business meeting, so. To watch Wicked for the 60th time. Give me a wave.
Go on back.
Now do trick. Is it okay?
Yeah. Do it again.
Please notice the furniture that me and Ashley Price built the other day. That goodness could subdue the wicked workings of you know who. You're welcome.